Today, I'm about to show you something so futuristic, so unbelievably compact, that it might just change everything you thought you knew about tiny campers. This is the 2026 Micro Hybrid Camper Tricycle, a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie, but is designed for real-world travel, real-world comfort, and real-world adventure. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a typical camper. The sharply curved minimalistic shell, the ultra-smooth unibody frame, the aerodynamic tail, and the compact proportions immediately make you wonder, how is this thing even a camper? But trust me, what's inside this tiny futuristic pod will shock you. Let's start with the exterior, because this design is unlike anything on the road right now. The 2026 Micro Hybrid Camper Tricycle uses a lightweight structural shell that blends retro styling with ultramodern tech. The front trike design gives you stability like a car, but freedom like a bike. You get a hybrid motor system that automatically switches between electric and eco-fuel mode, letting you travel long distances without worrying about charging stops. And yes, it's quiet, almost silent, perfect for stealth camping. The lighting is a whole story by itself. A continuous LED strip across the front, seamless tail lighting in the back, and soft glow accent lights that make it glow at night like a little spaceship on wheels. Even the wheels are designed with a futuristic retro twist. Clean circular hub covers that reduce drag and give it this smooth, timeless look. But now let's step inside, because this is where things get seriously impressive. The moment the door opens, you're hit with the feeling of stepping inside a tiny luxury pod. Soft ambient lighting, minimalistic surfaces, clever storage, and a layout that transforms depending on how you want to live. Right at the entrance, you get a compact sitting area that instantly converts into a sleeping pod big enough for one adult. It's clean, cozy, and surprisingly spacious thanks to the wraparound design. You can sit back, work on a laptop, or simply relax with the huge side window, giving you a panoramic outside view. There's a fold-out mini table hidden inside the wall, a modular shelf system for your gear, and even a micro kitchen setup with enough space for a portable stove and essentials. It's tiny, but every inch is used with insane precision. And here's the genius part. The lighting system adjusts based on what you're doing. Soft warm lights for relaxing, bright neutral lights for working or cooking, and night mode lighting to reduce glare and keep you calm while you rest. But the real magic is how this camper behaves on the road. Because of its hybrid powertrain, the tricycle cruises smoothly while using extremely low energy. City streets, mountain roads, riversides, it handles all of it with balance and surprising strength. And with its compact footprint, you can park it almost anywhere. Imagine pulling over by a lake, unfolding your interior, and instantly having your own micro home with a view. Storage? Hidden everywhere. Underfloor compartments, ceiling shelves, sidewall pockets. Whoever designed this thing thought like a master of compact living. You get enough space for clothes, tools, cooking gear, and even a small power bank system to run your lights and devices through the night. And the insulation is shockingly good for something this small. Wind, cold, summer heat. This tiny pod is prepared, meaning you can actually live in it, not just camp in it. Live in it.so. Now the question is simple. Is this the future of lightweight travel? Is this the new way people will explore the world? A hybrid tricycle camper that gives you freedom without size, comfort without bulk, and style without limits? One thing is certain, the 2026 Micro Hybrid Camper Tricycle is not just a machine. It's a statement, a vision, a new chapter in micro-living. If you're into futuristic design, off-grid adventure, tiny campers, or hybrid mobility, this one is going to blow your mind. And trust me, we have more insane tiny machines coming. Stay tuned, and let's keep exploring the future together.